I'm Tessa.
And I'm Anna.
And welcome to our video on the classical period. When was the classical period?
The classical period was from the 1750s to 1825-ish. How is it different to the Baroque period?
In some ways, classical music is much simpler than Baroque music. It often consists of a lot of simple tunes with an accompaniment. This accompaniment often uses broken chords called Alberti bass. This is an example of a very famous piece using the Alberti bass. Have a listen! As we heard earlier, classical composers would often start their pieces with a main tune called a theme. During the piece, composers would then develop the theme in different ways. It might be put into different keys, made faster or slower, or moved from major to minor. What types of instruments were used?
A lot of classical pieces were written for symphony orchestras. A symphony orchestra is a large group of musicians playing instruments together. There are four main families of instruments in a symphony orchestra. These are string instruments, such as violin and cellos, wind instruments, such as clarinets and bassoons, brass instruments, such as trumpets and tubas, and percussion instruments. This piece of music shows how a large group of instruments can play together to create an amazing sound. Along with large groups of instruments, composers also wrote pieces for solo instruments, such as the forte piano and voice.
What composers were there?
Mozart, Haydn.
Beethoven!
To finish up, here's a clip from Mozart's Requiem.